How to get verified on TikTok. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your TikTok account. You will land to the For You page. Now head towards the profile page. Once you land to your profile, at the top right corner you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Go to the option Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way down. Over here you're gonna find different sections. Under Support and About, you will see the option of Support. Open it. Click on the option Help Center. Now over here you will find this search box. Type in over there Get Verified. Now click on this very first option, Verified Accounts on TikTok. Now scroll down. Here are some requirements to get verified on TikTok. Your account must have logged in within the past 6 months. Your account must represent a real person, business or entity. Your account must be public and have a completed profile with a username, bio, profile photo and at least one video. You must be featured in multiple news sources. Your account must have two-step verification with a verified email address. If you fulfill all these requirements for the verification process, what you have to do is go to your profile, then click on the menu option, go to the settings and privacy, open the option account, and then tap on the verify option. Let me show you. You have to head towards your profile, click on 3 bars, go to the option settings and privacy, open this option account. If your account is eligible to get verified, you will find the option of verification over here. You just have to tap on it and your account will be verified. So this is how you can get verified on TikTok. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.